Good morning, second grade. This is Mrs. Breaux. Yesterday, you worked on subtracting three-digit numbers and regrouping in just one place. Today, you're going to continue to work on subtracting three-digit numbers, but you're going to have to regroup in two places. We're going to have some fun with workshop today, and we're going to decode a secret message. Are you ready? Let's switch my camera so we can see what we're working on today. Today, we are going to play a game called Solve and Spell. So I'm going to show you how to play. First, we have to solve a three-digit subtraction problem. What strategies do we know that we can use to solve three-digit subtraction problems? Think about it for a second. We can use flats, sticks, and dots, expanded notation, and number lines. We used those in our lessons before this. Today, we're going to focus on using flats, sticks, and dots. Let's look at this first subtraction problem here. 823 subtract a number is equal to 465. We can rewrite this equation as 823 minus 465 equals the missing number, because we know that this is the whole, this is part one, and this is part two. So that means that the whole minus part two is equal to part one. Now, we're going to draw out our larger number, the whole, in flats, sticks, and dots. So let's draw our hundreds, tens, and ones chart. We need to draw 823. So we need 8 hundreds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we need to draw 2 tens. 1, 2. Then we need to draw 3 ones. Let's make sure we draw a 10 frame so that we can keep track of our tens. We need to draw 3 ones. 1, 2, 3. So now we have our whole 823 set up into hundreds, tens, and ones. We need to subtract 465. Let's start in the ones place. How many ones do we need to subtract? That's right, 5. Do we have enough? No. So we need to regroup a 10 to make 10 ones. Regroup a 10 and make 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now do we have enough to subtract? How many ones do we need to subtract again? That's right, 5. So we're going to cross out 5 ones to show that we're subtracting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Circle the ones that are left and count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 ones left. Now we need to subtract the tens. How many tens in 465? That's right, there are 6 tens. Do we have enough to subtract? Nope. We need to regroup 100 to make 10 tens. Cross it out, draw 10 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now do we have enough to subtract 6? Sure we do. Let's cross them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Circle the ones that are left and count them. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 5 tens is 50. Next, we can count the hundreds that we have left and subtract how many hundreds? That's right, 4 hundreds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Circle the ones that are left. Count them. 100, 200, 300. 300 flats is equal to 300. Now we have 358 as our answer. 358. We can look here to see that this letter or symbol we're going to fill in our mystery code is an exclamation point. So you're going to go to your chart at the end of your Google Doc or Google Slides, and you're going to find 358. Here it is, 358, and that should be an exclamation point, just like that. Let's do another one. We have 286 plus a number is equal to 522. We remember from our lessons with Miss Lujan, when we see part 1 plus missing part 2 equals the whole, we can rewrite this as a subtraction equation. 522 minus 286 is equal to our missing part. Now we can set up our hundreds, tens, and ones chart so we can solve using flat sticks and dots. Take your larger number, your whole, and draw your hundreds, tens, and ones. We need 500 flats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We need 200 sticks, 210 sticks. 1, 2. Then we need 2 ones. Go ahead and make your 10 frame. And you might want to make another one just in case you need to regroup. Right now, we have 2 ones. So this chart should represent 522. 522. Now we need to subtract from the ones place first. How many ones are we going to subtract? 6. Do we have enough? That's right, we don't. What do we need to do? You got it. Regroup a 10 and make 10 ones. Regroup a 10. You can use your 10 frame you already drew to mark your 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now do we have enough to subtract? We need to subtract 6 ones. Let's go ahead and cross those out to subtract them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Circle the ones that are left. Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 ones left. Next, we need to subtract the tens. I regrouped one of them, so I have 1 10 left. How many do I need to subtract? That's right, 8. Do I have enough? Nope again. I need to regroup 100 to make 10 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we can subtract. How many are we subtracting? That's right, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Circle the tens that are left. There are 3 tens left. Count them by 10. 10, 20, 30. Now we need to subtract the hundreds. We've already regrouped 1, so it's gone. How many hundreds do we need to subtract? That's right, 2. Cross them out. 1, 2. Circle the ones that are left. Count them by hundreds. 100, 200. Now we have 236. We can write that as our answer. 236. 236 goes with the letter H in our secret message. Let's see if we can find that. There it is. That's the letter H. You're going to finish your workshop today in your Google Slides so that you can get that secret message. Don't forget to turn it in to your teacher. You also have an exit ticket to complete that you will turn in as well. If you're having trouble and you need to visit office hours, be sure to go to your teacher or another second grade teacher who can help you. I hope you had fun using flats, sticks, and dots to subtract today. Let's go over what we need to remember. First, we subtract the ones. If we don't have enough, we regroup a 10 to make 10 ones. Then we subtract the tens. If we don't have enough, we regroup 100 to make 10 tens. Have fun with your flat sticks and dots and find that secret message. Good luck, second grade.